Yes. Akwaba be Badwam TV. Na Badwam na when you go to our channel. Yes, sectoral debate. Friday, our Crowd Center na ye share coin. Ghana coin sene yes I know and I watch share na ye hu se na Ghana coin na TNT no mpemfo a omo sefata na wo se omo be no me cheche Ghana nyama mo omo na eri omo ba nti na onye se omo sekra Friday our Crowd Center 7 pepe ne ahase nti na wo se wo ba ewa circle o do circle so kwa Crowd Center obi abekire ho do circle overhead ho no ma o asa wonante 2 minutes per na we do na wa be kan ho na bibia akoso sans na opese otena o TV ho na o hwe so na o tie de ekọ na o hwe de ekọ nyina na Adom TV na watena ho na wa hwe aka 80 days na election so baso na ye ene kokomoti head power yes election headquarters ene Adom TV Asempa FM Adom FM na face Nshira FM yes Kokomoti power election headquarters yenie yesi afi election o se nra ya de bibra wo na demo ekoso NDC for no mo se omo de omo petition e de ma EC na omo hwe sebe ya obi an din eni abato homem no ne omo din ayira nyina no e wo se EC for no tra no mo ye for audit bi e wo nyamam na NDC for say say EC mo ya mo bibia na ya de bramo nti yesi afi election de bibia beto form no e wo se de ma nti ne yen eni agesi eni ase election headquarters Adom TV Asempa FM Nshira FM ana face so no Adom 106.3 BBBA ya de brome asara kese en koma se Joma no to be proud producer na no pay na asara kese koma bet power hey bet power de be bossy other boys di o say no me bob bet power say other boys ni ajem say enra goes piemu boys score over 2.5 over 1.5 ni nyina ebo na boys direct score na eba na me director oh from your friend said Techi there ono the Osmana no ahwehwe mu no yibi afim etefa so a ose bet power for edi Mr. Chairman abi ye de mawa nya motre na twa o the 1000 so a o sika 10,000 untimi ndi nti mi bibia ebekoso bet power mo nedwuma kwama so masene ena no pay 7 fa go kensem ansem embram na no Europa Champions League matches no Juventus na dodo ne nim sanka Juventus de wa sha tu na mo no omochi PSV ebo me kamiensa mo timo ba ko na young boys so trefie ma Aston Villa bo ne kamiensa ono so intimate ma braka na Bayern Munich Bayern Munich no ade omutumre Hurricane radio no kwa bo baku ba enum ma Bayern Munich for Dynamo Zagreb ebo me kamako enkron ama Zagreb for timu ba ku Sanso na Real Madrid yes the Galacticos Real Madrid and Kylian Mbappe yes he was on target now also amotra Stuttgart ebo me kamiensa mo timu ba ku na Sporting Lisbon so Lille ebo ne kamiensa yes you know ene kopie mo ho enra na enye fedi agro na agro kakra ye di na buyer for 929 no na eden eno na eden na mo she goals bebre sa nkofo so anko bebre na esa na ayayi ba yehwe na fechesa Baso Bologna and Shakhtar Donetsk and the Pimso Sparta Prague and RSB Salzburg that's now Celtic and Slovan and Bosso na Club Brugge and Borussia Dortmund and the Pimso sounds na Manchester City and Inter Milan and then Samachi den over 2.5 intino twa Osna ni edema on na PSG and general and the bepem so na yehwe league log no unse we no is a new format international league log no ete ebi mo abo ebi mo boy Bayern Munich enra nkrono mo share ntisi a omo and omo that top and Aston Villa so bogo mu pa into omo that second yes Liverpool so bogo mu omo that third and Juventus and Real Madrid and Sporting and Arsenal omo didi so sa and a league log no ete na Champions League new format ya na ebrim kofo eni so but we no obetimi ni obi abo home match na one ne mbo away match nti no oni we bo home na wakobo obi wa away no obi so oni obi abo home chese sa na coaches dudo na ade manu atumu se we di anka ye bo we wi adabraka next season e man mbo we bi because we no ya na f4 for money so e de na me no be bo now me no mbo ha na no na wo hye me na me ye ne den nti no ne nsema ekoso na yen ko biemo e England yen hwe nsema ekoso eno Carabao Cup to Jana Manchester United yes eno United etumre eche Barnsley ebone kanso ma parliament marabaka na QPR enso tenafie ma kan ko PM United yes eno de United etumre na watwe wie yen so EPO no money Crystal Palace na de be pem so nti no sa wiki die United was so much mo support musio because Crystal Palace so age no mo say no mo win so na hwe ye no nti no ya na mo hu say na be call na yen na fan chefie ne hwe sama ekoso na the Ghana Premier League shall say about 2 matches so far na head coach of the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana head coach Otto Addo had in sama to do say oh as the Ghana Premier League here shall say teams no do na e bon ho na o hwe say league na nkasa no e be bon ho modern ye say be players em wo mu no benya national team ni bia ball.
I mean, at the end of the last season, I watched a little bit of videos. It was okay in general. I think it's picking up. It's getting more interesting. And we have to see. I think it's early. It's now early. Let's watch the season and watch how the players perform. But I think the performance in general is going up. When I have the comparison from 2 years ago, then it has improved. It's good that people are attending the matches. But surely I'll be looking, but at the moment surely I have to focus on the national team also. And we'll see. My message to the fans is just I want us to show a different picture than the last match. I think there was no passion on the pitch, and it's my responsibility now. I have to make sure that they show it on the pitch. And if we show this, we can win.
Yes, team Bakwa, Ghana Premier League. So, Ochi Fani Buji, Papa ya crowds of folk never say that until the bones are rot. Head coach Abubakar Ouattara, they told you, say, almost the first 2 games, Omo Lusunini na Nemo, be ya supporters, no, Enya Botre, and former players, no.
The past is past. Let us focus on the rest of the games. We need the fans, to be frank. We need the criticism from the fans. We need them to shout. We need everything. We are doing with them. We play for them. We saw them when they suffer. Some are crying. We apologize. We are going to make effort to go forward. But we are human beings. Sometimes we can make a mistake on the road. But they didn't say we didn't try. These players have confidence on my team. I know this team can deliver. Seriously, but the goal didn't come. The important is the goal. We didn't score the goal. Everything is bad when you didn't get that goal. But when we score, but it's bad. The people think, oh, it's good because we win. Sometimes we win, but the game are not good. Sometimes you lose. The game is good, but we didn't account on the ball position. We accounted the goals. But I mean, we need the prayers.
As Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, Esanse Yato, Mabaya Sports Stadium, and Tisia, the Omo Diamond, that Chow Boston Clay Sports Stadium. Now, more the home matches, no, Ashisha, so head coach, Adom Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, prosper, na Theogum Doctor, I told you, send the players, so nothing actually Leganas in Emo, GT, Ewo Mumuyepa.
Very confident tone for myself, for the technical staff, for the playing body. Everybody, I think, is good. It's good for the confidence of the team, and I'm sure that if we stay focused, we'll be able to play better than we have done. Yeah, we should expect this team to do very well at the end of the season. We play well, win more games. You know, Kotoko is known for winning games, and if you coach or you play Kotoko, you know that it's a task you need to accomplish. You must play well, you must win games. Very confident.
Yes, what then when you try Labaleshi school park, so I na hono me ya ne huru yi pa. Was paying for Adom mani kwasho na community league bia boys in kwane bo na bebunu so ginem. Omo bobo na tojo Saturday and Sundays 2 to 6. Yes, I was then when you try na she go boy ko hono nya fidi agro na na match ba ko be tojo Trignal City and Brighton and the pem so na bibi bia koso nti no pe ball na paying for hwe na league na koso manya players ni bia dia ma national teams ni bi ni aya so mo ko hono mo dani ni e hwe na bibi bia koso nti no community kickstart community league. Yes, na bibi bia koso na before young call line so na me the man himself Patrick Osayachman, you can call him countryman songo fireman and no pe otimen kan mema wano mema wache.
Yeah, bibi abakore.
More fire. Nyamene he na won so e.
Nyame so bibi adi zana kwa so.
Yes. Songo steak.
Yeah. Now kasa.
Yes, yeah. Ghana 40 o.
My first steak here. Otuado. Coach ni ka say league you know and I put the men picking at this. Ghana will play. Local talent in here very good. Local boys in here good. More fun and non kakeke. Even Ghana players are more outside Africa crowd. Very, very good players. Boys are almost ball a year African continent football. Almost Ghana for very good players. 80 years, 30 years Blasters to improve. Your Blasters now, okay, the last time. Omo against Angola or against Niger. Omo show passion. O shed the Omo show passion. One shed the Omo show passion. What sort of double standard coaching? No. You understand? What shed the Omo passion. Woman shed the Omo passion. So you have to get the passion back. Yes. Passion in this will be
fire.
Yeah.
I'm saying who any me ka o my who any me kakra.
Oh, many me.
Okay.
Oh.
And I got a person who fell fire until no who any sala na bibia oja.
Oh, sure. You bless that's good. Or share. Or say. Oh, passion but woman said yeah, or say there's no passion. You understand? And a double standard way of talking. The last time we lose here, when they share pitch, and their passion is not there, passion is not there. And yet these same people never bought World Cup qualifier matches, almost said, I was here need a passion. No, didn't crack. Now, yet discipline, so who need to mean as long as we call it for discipline. Coach, Okasa anyhow, and I say, we are coach, Okasa or boss, no, I am officer wouldn't mamma, no. And then it's what I say, coach, officer would now you coach, just say, you know, Okasa did me out piano. No, who did can get discipline? Who did can get discipline? It's not about the passion. Players there, they are ready to play for the national team. Because women got some person with the national team. So I say it's not about passion be in your passion be anyone. No. The nuclear say oh yes selection, papa. Talent in Wofi, local boys be good. Also mobile blasters maybe. Local boys are mobile outside Ghana, African continent. They play very good. They play very, very good power. It was also to me a Blasters selection, especially Blasters local talent in the league na ebono. As much as Omum Fasika, MSC League headline sponsor, you who Sikabia will league you who better proper coverage BR. Will league Ghana League in talent. Your talented footballers, your boys are and our players are who say yes, we put a talent. And the talent, you bet me the Abuana Manepi. And yes, because talent in the Yemen I'm managing and now say, and yet me agents be and I'm manager being a managing. The national team is for all. It's your local league, as much as it near attention, improvement, it near sika, it near good coverage, it near see a beton local league. And also football people. The president and in a pound for almost sorry no more Piscama local league, Udu Safu Randiabi Udu Safu Vice President Ghana football Vice President Ghana football I would say a chair a committee yedi every Blasters coach Munina Muti executive committee so Muti school so Muji allowance. Randy Abbey the champ. Mo making sure say Mubema local league na attractive. send your minima dear, edited no mum, edited how I say economy no, Ghana, you see, a kunkoyanim, it said, some nim dear no, Randia Bay, a vice president, Odo Safway, Muamutios, executive committee, no, Munim dia no, Mufanya local football ni local football ni bre, local football ni here sponsors, local football ni here sika, local football ni here good officiating, local football ni here good coverage. Coverage ben yedika local football. Pando out of Lions, a year has the folk, 2 new Pando, coverage nana move and amofe. Big Sam, camera ben yedika. Sa 2 goals no sa match no hamra ben ye di twae o hwekura no wani ya yana wani wo ye coverage isani ye coverage no to say sika ben na every coverage no maba won amu na etwa local league no won amu na ma coverage won amu na kuta TV right no cameras ben no mu di twa how experience no mu wo Mudi try local league, no dia maya share any Africa, ni be asking in Africa, Ghana local league here improvement. Ghana local league here Ghana local league here attention because good players, talent in you hear our talent for the various national teams. You hear our talent for blasters. Blasters in Koye in Abako, ye foreign based players in Kwa. Meanwhile, the local boys in the Bob foreign based players in the play by far. Local boys, no more local league, they play what talent by far. Foreign based players be a Yakofa and I flow with the blasters. And then more blasters also competition when it comes to player selection. A local league, talent in the room, but paying for share, see a benya, sika. Sponsorship, if it's near local league, your tier refiska, your new refiska, good officiating coverage, you're fantastic. Just a local league with TV so if we are say if we say coverage the TV right here, just say if we can ye go buy you a slow motion buy you just say you have a good TV right coverage, channel, cameras in here. One local league, local league national here. Ye call a second week or ye call 3rd week. Local league national here, Ghana local league ni kuta talent. Players whom talent woman. Ye local league here, ye national teams emre when it comes to see ye player selections upon national teams, especially blasters one of ye local players me a no. You need attention man local league, anything I may call on the ESCO members, executive, football people. Mamu minimum personal interest in Kwaho, Munim Diamoa, Mutimidi Church, no Mamu Ghana, Munim Diamoa, Mutimidi Church say yes. Oh, I say no, say yes, Emma Ghana no, Sanim Diano, one opportunity, Amudi football, as the football money result, football money achievement, football current FA, only results. Pakopani said local league, form local league, any publicity, local league, any sponsors, it's the local league, more tika ebe peja local league, or say good coverage about local league into Omunya Ghana Premier League ni Omun first Kama Ghana Premier League ni Omuma attention na Ghana Premier League ni Omuma Ghana Premier League ni akono nyefe ye ntwani ye na yemfa mu players no more blasters no na local players ni good talent or more fire local football ye
more fire
India okuta omunyina meboa that's let me padi.
Alright.
Ye kuta umunyina umudi chechiri mu Ghana ha na Ghana yenyi si sanim dia no manya chance ye football de no muntini emfanye. Local league na say no munyine ye. Omumye TV right coverage sika ba he.
Sure.
Wa mu na ika. Sika bai otiase nyese obi afa the phone. Pro max bia na say iPhone bia no di twa local league.
Ebi ya beto aso.
1 p.m. sharp.
Yes.
Fire for fire.
Yes.
1 p.m. live. More fire.
More fire.
Ta entebiane ye to aba. Entebia ye beto aba pa.
Yes.
Ye beto aba pa policy. Uchechire mu se o si na meya mo man no hospital ya kwan obi abetumi ahadan obi abetumi nya adwuma ye economy no be koyi kire mu ne ehun so obetumi aye enye kasa gbiri anyhow and to about okay more fire
oja yes the man himself Patrick Osayajiman obetumi afra no Countryman Songo and Amotin in Canada na adwenkyere aba e Ghana godie mu ntino so adwenkyere ne sasra kese en koma bed power say na no pay omasoma se ne say men fa go kensem ensem embrem na yesa e kai say Friday sectoral debate ye hwega na kwan e wa Credit Center 7 a.m. sharp na oni sinkunya na ye dia bro na ya hwese na ebe ko happy birthday sonko en koma Nadia Mimitete we Dennis Asamoah Latula ho NS yemfama sounds na Christabel Boedi also ene odanya mishra no to nko dem na bibibia enkoso enfama sounds na Lucy AJ also ene wa woda happy birthday so nko enkoma nya mishra na bibibia ba sabesom no enkoso emaha ene braba mo kwa na me de agokensem na ensem na sina I'm sorry na sister Fia Eddie Health Tips to us nene sister Sandy B guy Eddie House Peno bro yes and then so the nyama exclusive B by was out ho na wo hwe na bibia ekoso me din atinya me ba Bernard Padibotre